In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use random proportional editing feature in Blender. Let's create a plane. I'll quickly demonstrate what it does. In edit mode, Ctrl+R to create a loop cut. Let's add 10 cuts. 1 to vertex select. Let's select this vertex, and activate the random proportional editing. Type G and X to move the vertices randomly. Please mouse wheel up or down to increase or decrease the affected region. Let's delete this mesh, and create a cube. In edit mode, I'll add 20 loop cuts. Let's select two vertices like this, and move them on the X-axis. Ctrl+R to add a loop cut. 3 to face select. Let's select the faces at the bottom, and E to extrude. I'll add 2 loop cuts like this, and scale them apart. Three to face select. I'll select the faces in the middle and extrude them downward like this. Let's add a material. Ctrl+I to invert the selection, and assign the first material. I'll add more loop cuts, and move them like this. Let's twist the mesh a bit. I'll use the sky texture. This is optional, but we can also add a noise texture node to the materials. Here are my denoise settings. I'm using 32 samples to render in cycles. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.